Sanchez is the best goalkeeper in the world. No cap. May nobody come here come complain say Sanchez. Shey una remember say na he still get Club World Cup Golden Glove. So he's currently the best goalkeeper in the world. If Chelsea is currently the world champions, that means Sanchez is currently the best goalkeeper in the world. So may nobody come here come complain o. I no wan hear shout from any Chelsea fan. If una know wetin good for una now, make una just dey thank Sanchez for today, because if not for Sanchez, if say na Georges dey that post today, una suppose collect like 6. Una suppose collect like 6. Omo, thank you Sanchez for today. See this performance wey you give today, world class performance. Absolutely amazing performance from Sanchez. If say na Georges dey post, this 3 wey una dey see for here, na small.